of apprehending and taking a person into custody, legal protection, or control. Usually, because the person has been suspected of or observed committing a crime. Matapos makulong ang tao ay maaaring tatanungin pa ito at singilin. Ang pag-aaresto ay isang pamamaraan sa isang sistemang hustisya sa kriminal. 3 types of arrest. For all 3 types, there must always be some lawful basis for arrest and detention, including a clear link between the suspect and the offense. Arrest without warrant. Ang isang pag-aresto ng walang garantiya ay dapat gawin sa batayan ng kapanipaniwala na impormasyon o makatuwirang hinala ay dapat batay sa tiyak na katotohanan na nagbigay sa hinala sa taong naaaresto. Arrest with a warrant. Where the offense is not an arrestable offense, either a warrant or summons will be required to be issued in the first instance. Kung walang pagkuha ng isang mando, hindi pinapayagan ng pulis na mag-aresto. Private arrest. Any person who commits a non-bailable and arrestable offense in his or her opinion or presence is entitled to be arrested by a private person. Without undue pause, the individual making the arrest must hand over the suspect to the nearest police officer or police station. Can the police use force to arrest someone? Pinapayagan ng pulis na gumamit ng makatuwirang puwersa upang arestuhin ang sinuman. Ano ang makatuwirang puwersa ay nakasalalay sa mga pangyayari sa pag-aaresto. The police use unreasonable force to arrest someone, they can be charged with assault. Even if a person is innocent, it is important that they cooperate with the police when being arrested. If you do not cooperate, you could be charged with a further offense, such as resisting arrest. Search. First is we need to define search warrant under Section 1 of Rule 126 of the Criminal Procedure. Search warrant is under writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines. It is signed by a judge and directed to a peace officer commanding him to search for personal property described therein and bring it before the court. Requisites for issuing search warrant. A search warrant shall not issue except upon probable cause in connection with one specific offense to be determined personally by the judge after examination. Under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses, he may produce and particularly describing the place to be searched and the things to be seized, which may be anywhere in the Philippines. Issuance of search warrant. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-issue except upon probable cause kung kailan may sapat na evidence na meron na talagang nakumit na offense at dapat yung mga hinahanap ay may kinalaman din about doon that must be connected with one specific offense. For example, drugs. Dapat drugs lang ang ilalagay sa application of search warrant. There are some instances that an officer shall issue a warrantless search if there is a probable cause. Incidental to lawful arrest, ito yung incident na caught in the act. Pwede mong i-search kahit walang search warrant sapagkat inaresto mo na dahil kita mo ang mismong pangyayari. Consecutive warrantless search. Ito ay nagbigay ka ng consent sa isang officer kahit walang search warrant. Halimbawa, may gustong mag-search sa loob ng inyong bahay. Kahit walang search warrant, huwag niyong papapasukin kasi once na pumayag kayo at kapag may nakitang illegal or walang license ang mga bagay sa loob ng bahay mo, kahit walang search warrant dahil nagbigay ka ng consent, magiging valid ang warrantless search. How long is the validity of search warrant? The search warrant is valid for 10 days from its date. Seizure. The confiscation of personal property by virtue of search warrant issued for the purpose. Sa batas, may dalawang uri ng property. Personal property is property that is movable. Example, cell phones and car. Ito yung mga bagay na naigagalaw o yung mga bagay na malimit mong gamitin na pwede mong i-transfer from one place to another. Real property, broader term and includes the land itself and any buildings and other improvements attached to the land. Ito naman yung mga bagay na immobile or di maigagalaw, halimbawa nito ay ang bahay. According to Section 3, the following personal property that can be confiscated first is subject of the offense. Dito, kung ang subject ay drugs, pwede mo i-search at i-confiscate ang drugs na makikita mo doon sa lugar na nakalagay sa search warrant. Stolen vessel and other proceeds or fruit for the offense. Yung iba pang mga bagay na makikita mo doon, halimbawa na lang ay ang barel, mga pera, pwede mo din kunin at isama sa mga evidence na ito-turn over sa court na ipepresent ng public prosecutor. Use or intended to be used as the means of committing an offense. Lahat ng mga bagay na ginamit o pwedeng gamitin na makikita mo din sa lugar ay pwedeng i-search and seize dahil yun ay under din ng Paragraph C, Section 3, Rules on Personal Property to be seized.